It comes in a hadith, a person who recites Surah al Kahf every Friday, Allah Ta'ala will save him from the fitna of Dajjal, from trials and tribulations and the corruption that Dajjal will bring. So now you and I might ask that there's still many more years for Dajjal to come. There's still many more signs to be revealed. So why should we recite Surah al Kahf now? The Prophet ﷺ says that I fear that the Sahaba radiallahu anhum says that the Prophet ﷺ told us so much so about Dajjal, and every Nabi had warned its nation about Dajjal and its fitna. So although Dajjal hasn't come out yet, but his fitna are out many years ago, many centuries ago. And what are the fitna of Dajjal? Is the same tricks and traps of shaitan. A person falls into the trap of music, person falls into the trap of seeing all sorts of illicit, immoral things on their mobile phones. Person goes into immoral relationships. People move onto the streets and they go into taking all sorts of substances which then ruin their lives. Not only their lives, but rather their iman is also ruined. Many people end up selling their iman. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that there are people that for a little bit of gain, for a little bit of value of the dunya, they end up selling their iman. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us. So the Prophet ﷺ says, recite Surah al Kahf. From one Friday to the next Friday, you will be protected.